Hello guys, today in this video I am going to tell you about Microsoft Server 2019, which is a new release by Microsoft which belongs to the NT family of the operating system. So before diving into the MS Server, I am going to tell you the difference about MS Windows and MS Servers. So we are all familiar with the term MS Windows, so the Microsoft Windows we use because we use it in our everyday life for our schools, for our colleges, for our personal and for the office work. We are all familiar with the Microsoft Windows. So then what is the difference between Microsoft Server and Microsoft Windows? Why there are two types of Microsoft OS available? Basically the key difference of Microsoft Server and Microsoft Windows is that Microsoft Windows is a client-side operating system, whereas the Microsoft Server is a network-side operating system. The client-side operating system means we can use this service. Means there are many services in the client-side operating system present. Like we can use a service like video editing for graphical part, for gaming, for etc. We because when we play games or when we edit video, we use these services to do that type of things. We can use many applications like for the programming or for any type of things with the help of the Microsoft Windows. So everyone is familiar with the Microsoft Windows, whereas the Microsoft Server is a network-based operating system. In the network-based operating system, uh, there are many types of features available. So Microsoft Server holds many types of features. There are many other features of there are many other versions of the Microsoft Server available, like 2002, 2005, 2008, 2012, 2016, and the latest release, which is 2019. So basically I will tell you about the Microsoft Server and the latest update 2019, which has some new technologies present in it. So basically Microsoft Server, as I have told, is a network based operating system, which uses as a server, which can be used as a server. So if we install Microsoft Server any version, say suppose 2012, 16 or 2019, which is the latest version in the desktop, we can use the full functionality of the server. Means that desktop or that laptop or any other devices which we want to install, that device will be turned into a server. Means you can deploy your network over there, and you can deploy any type of web page, or you can host your website over there, and you can access it from anywhere. So Microsoft Server is the server-based operating system where networks and connections are used. In terms of Microsoft Windows, yeah, you can also use the server in Microsoft Windows. Like there are many softwares like XAMPP is present, which helps us to run the Apache server and SQL server. Using that, you can use your server in Microsoft Windows also. But the flexibility of the server is present more in Microsoft Server than in Microsoft Windows. So that's why for the specific server purpose, people across the world use Microsoft Server. So that is why Microsoft Server is good for the holding or hosting some website or etc. If you talk about the connections or the bandwidth, Microsoft Windows is much more less. Microsoft Windows uses less bandwidth than the Microsoft Server. Microsoft Server has greater bandwidth speed, obviously, because it is a server. It is developed for that purpose. And if you tell for the connections, means if Microsoft Windows supports 1,000 connections, so what about Microsoft Server then? Then MS Server will support 10 times of that 1,000 connections. Mean it will support 10,000 connections. So this is the power of the Microsoft Server. So here comes the Microsoft Server 2019, which is the latest release by the Microsoft. So I'm going to tell you about the Microsoft Server 2019. What is its new features? What are the updates of the 20 Server 2019, etc. So Windows Server 2019 is the operating system that bridges on-premises environments with Azure, additionally a layers of security while helping you modernize your application and infrastructures. So basically there are many availabilities present in the Microsoft Server 2019. The first one is the hybrid capabilities with Azure. The hybrid capability of the Azure helps us in many ways. It helps us to extend your data center to Azure to maximize and gain in new hybrid capabilities. And the main key features of the Microsoft 2019 is that advanced multi-layer security. The MS Server 2019 has come with a lot of the ultimate security updates. Even the hackers can't easily get hacked into your system. So advanced multi-layer security helps us to elevate your security posture by protecting the data center, starting with the operating system. MS Server 2019 has fostered innovation for application. It enables a condition of cloud native apps and modernized traditional apps using containers and microservices. It also evolve your data center infrastructure to achieve greater efficiency and security. So as I have told, Microsoft Server 2019 its security is very much powerful. Is it have a great the firewall which is been used in MS Server 2019 by Microsoft is very strong. The hackers can't easily penetrate that type of firewall. So if you are planning to host any kind of website, or if you want to do some server work, so you can easily choose my MS Server 2019. It is the best OS. And for the reason, yeah, it is not free obviously, but Microsoft is giving one feature, so you can have a trial of 180 days from the Microsoft official website. You can download the MS Server 2019, and I think they will provide you a key, and using that key you can use my MS Server 2019 for 180 days. That is actually 6 months trial. It's a great features given by the Microsoft.